Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a mystery plush. This is the pattern out of paper. And we need a felt thread needle, scissors, pins, hot glue, felting nice, and ribbon. And I'm gonna use two types of thread, a black one for the smile and nostrils, and invisible thread for sewing the whole plushie. And we cut the pieces out of felt. Okay, so we're gonna embroider the smile of the froggy and the nostrils. Second step will be to hot glue the eyes and the tongue. Make sure they're even. Kind of put one twisted. I had to move it around. Now we're gonna sew the facial features in place after we install the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna insert the eyes first and then sew. Next we're gonna stuff and sew the head. So we're gonna sew around, stuff it, and then we close the gap. Use a sharp object to reach small places. Okay. Once the head is complete, we're gonna continue with the belly. We're gonna stick it with hot glue to the body, sew it in place, and then sew the body and stuff it. Pretty much the same process as for the head. The belly is complete. Now we stuff and sew the body. Okay. The body is almost finished. I had a hard time sewing with invisible thread. It's pretty much like fishing line. Very fine fishing line, and it goes. It's very curled and it tangles a lot. I wouldn't recommend that again. I had to keep it in place with my fingers to make sure I'm sewing evenly. Okay, the body is complete almost. After we finish the body, we're gonna attach it to the head. And when you make a knot, when you're done, stick the needle through the body and cut the thread after you make the knot. Don't cut the thread by the knot. Hide it in the fluff. That's what I'm doing here. I'm making the knot. And then you put the needle through and cut. Okay, so the next step is attaching the body to the head. It's attached. We continue with the limbs. We just sew them together and then attach them to the body, and you're almost done. Done. And as an accessory, I used nautical themed ribbon to make a little bow to give it a little bit of cuteness. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. You are done right now. Voila. Bye.